Now our mandala thing will be started, because we will start making design from here, from this page. First we will cover this particular circle. First circle. Make a simple flower. What we are making in our childhood days, just we have to make that simple flower for it. I think anyone can draw this thing. Now here a leaf, a one more flower. Make it like this. Now what we have to do is we have to fill these gaps. All these gaps. Now I am moving to next part. Now why I am making this line, you can see it now. This design like this. From here make a straight line, make a half circle, then move it down. I'll show you second one. Do it like this. You can see that there is a space between these things. You can fill this space like this, so it will look nice. Now make a dot here, just make a straight line. You have to repeat this same design in this whole circle, and after completing this design you will see like this. Now we will learn how to make this thing. First you can see it carefully that how this design is. Just what you have to do, just move your pen like this. Okay, start from here. It like this. You can draw it with pencil for now. If it is difficult afterwards, you can use pen to make an outline of it. And there is one circle here. And also there is a gap. See, there is a little gap here. You can fill it by your pen. See, you can see that there is a gap between them. We will fill it with a flower. Like this. And then now make a straight line like this. You have to remember two more things here. You have to fill design here and here also. It will look more clean if we fill with black color here and here. Otherwise there is a white space between them. It won't look good. That's why you have to fill if there is some space. So I'll show you my completed design. It will look something like this.